In this video, I'll guide you through how to reset LibreOffice settings. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or simply want to return to the default configuration, resetting your settings can be a quick and effective solution. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. This is the first step toward resetting your settings, and it's important to ensure that all your documents are saved and closed before proceeding. Having LibreOffice open will allow us access to the options we need to reset the settings effectively. Once LibreOffice is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen, where you'll find the Tools menu. Click on it. The Tools menu is your gateway to various configuration settings and options that allow you to customize your LibreOffice experience. By navigating to this menu, you'll be closer to accessing the reset function. After clicking on Tools, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you'll want to select Options. Clicking Options opens a new window where you can manage your preferences for LibreOffice. This section of the application is like a control center, offering numerous settings that you can adjust to suit your needs. However, today we're focusing on resetting everything back to the default. Now, within the Options window, look towards the bottom. You'll see a button labeled Reset. Clicking this button is the main action that will revert all settings to their original state when LibreOffice was first installed. This includes all your personal preferences, so be sure you're ready to reset everything before proceeding. Resetting your settings can often resolve unexpected behavior or performance issues by clearing out any configurations that might be causing trouble. After you click Reset, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. This is just a safety step to ensure that you really intend to reset everything, as it cannot be undone. Once confirmed, LibreOffice will reset its settings, and you should notice the changes the next time you start the application. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can reset your LibreOffice settings back to their defaults. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. It's a handy trick to know if you ever need to troubleshoot or start fresh with your LibreOffice setup. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick guides.